If you can get past the smell of all the weird people in used bookstores, this is a great side hustle.
Okay, so here we are in the actual store, and what I like to do is just look for sections where, I don't know, I get a good gut feeling about it. I've been doing this for a long time. Whenever you see sections like this right here, you can see the books are kind of crooked, so it means a scanner maybe already looked at them. But let's go around here and see what we can find.
So the best part about this business is all you need is a smartphone and the will to work hard. So we're gonna use our smartphone and a profit app. I recommend Scoutly as of right now. And what you can do is just scan. And the name of the game, guys, is get through the bad books fast. You saw how fast I was just scanning. Next thing is this lady right here is loading fresh inventory onto the shelves. You're never going to get better inventory than freshly put inventory on the shelves. I don't care if you're at a used bookstore like I am right now, if you're at a library sale, or if you're at your local thrift store, Goodwill, Salvation Army. If you see someone putting fresh books on the shelf, go scan them. Now what I'm doing is actually listing these books. I'm ensuring I'm not restricted in them. I'm getting them active to sell on Amazon. So I'm listing them right now, getting all these listings created. And by the time I get home, I'm going to be able to print all the labels for these books, quickly put them in a box, and ship them out the door to Amazon. Then Amazon's going to do all the heavy lifting. Literally, they are going to send my books to the customers when the customers purchase them. They're going to handle customer service. All I need to do is reprice the inventory. So it's very important that you list your books while you're in the store to get the listings created. That way, when you get home, you just put them in a box, ship them out the door with UPS, and start getting paid. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pay for these books. I recommend that you guys get reseller permits. That way you don't have to pay sales tax. You can use them at Goodwill, and many other places take them too. And be sure to use a business card, that way you can write this off during tax season. If you can get past the smell of all the weird people in used bookstores, this is a great side hustle. We have a lot of profit here. I'm about to tally it up in a second. And all these books are already listed because we listed them while we're in the store. So the listings are being created. It can take up to 24 hours for book listings to get created on Amazon. And then we can print the labels and send them to Amazon's warehouses, where then they'll store, prep, and ship the books for us. But it's really good that we already started the process of those listings being created, because realistically in 3 hours, we can print those labels in order for all these books in this box, label them, and get them out the door. So let's go home and get these boxed up. I also want to point out that I scanned 700 books. So this is like not a business where you're going to go in and scan 5 books and get profit. Like, you have to grind. This is a business for people who are willing to work hard. In order to get this box of books, it's going to make me a couple $100 profit. I had to go in there and scan 700 books, and that took me about 90 minutes. Back in my heyday, I used to scan 5,000 books a day. That was my goal. And, you know, I could probably scan 500 to 1,000 an hour. I think I was doing like 1,500 books an hour when I was really scanning and just not paying attention to what the phone said and just listening for the ding. But this is a volume game, and if you want results, you have to put the work in. Since we already listed all the books on the GoToLister mobile app, all we have to do is click on Print All on GoToLister.com. Open up the same batch on the website, get these labels, and put them on the books. And then all you got to do after this is print one more UPS label, which you can get from GoToLister, and you're ready to rock and roll. Okay, so let's look at some of these purchases and why I made the decision. So I scanned a book, and what you see on the screen is what I saw, and I decided to buy this book because it's $5.51 profit after all Amazon fees. It's sold 136 times over the last 6 months. That's enough information right now for me to purchase this, and the sales rank is 32,000, which is extremely fast selling. Next up, we have this book from the sex section. If anyone in the comment section wants to spice up their life, I have not shipped this book out to Amazon yet, so just comment below. First one gets it. Anyway, I'm joking. Bad joke. $7 profit, and this is really good because if you look at the used column, it has one used offer. So there's 15 new offers. So there's a lot of new competition, but as a used seller, we don't have much competition at all. And this book's dirt cheap too. And we're not going to beat the new price because the new price is $16, but we could easily come in here for $15.99 and sell this thing. I think it was only a couple dollar book, if I'm not mistaken. So win for the sex book. Go scan the sex section, guys. Next up, we have this book for $7 and the profit's $15. I'm not sure if I entered the buy cost yet or not for this, but regardless, this book's going to sell for $28.99. There actually are new FBA offers, so 24. So I mean, still a profitable book at the end of the day. We're going to sell this book for 24. We're going to pay 7. And if we punch those numbers in the profit calculator, which you can always do if you click on the top left, you can see $24. We're paying 7 for it. We're still left with $6. A little bit less than 100% return on investment, but there's not much competition on this book. And hey, to turn $7 into 13 and make $6 profit is damn good in my book. As long as you know it's going to sell. And over time, you guys are going to get better at this. Appreciate you guys watching this far in the video. If you guys have any questions at all, comment below. I will personally answer every single one. Then also we have a free YouTube course, which I'll link below. So if you guys want to learn how to sell books on Amazon completely from start to finish, there's a 5-day book selling workshop, or I'm about to launch a new YouTube video course soon. So one of those is going to be linked below. And we have a community of successful sellers that are using GoToLister. That's the software I just showed you. It's my software. I've been working 4 years on this. It's the fastest listing software for Amazon sellers. And I built it because I wanted there to be a better solution for the community. I've sold over 1 million on Amazon this year, and I use it for I use it to list all my products. I do wholesale now, but GoToLister keeps track of my profit, helps me list fast, but it's really optimized for what I just showed you. You can list while you're in the store, come home, get the FAQ labels printed immediately. So it's pretty cool. So any questions you guys have at all, comment below, and much love. Catch you in the next.